So made a comment, and Ron had a couple of slides on some things we're going to share here. We're the second largest country in the world, but as he said, we're only using roughly 7% of our land mass to grow food. And of that 7%, only 5% is really dependable. Very, very small amount of land that we have to work with, and we have to grow a large amount of food. And compare that with the US and other parts of the world. And I work a fair bit in China, and they struggle the same way to grow a lot of food, and they try and grow something on every piece of land. So around the world, people have a lot more to work with than we do, and as you saw in some of Ron's slides, we're doing pretty good for the small amount of land, which is a testament to the Canadian farmer's ability to grow food. Some numbers, and depending upon where you want to look at for stats, you can find different numbers, but if we look at projection increases for world population, I tell our employees that right now chronic hunger in the world exceeds about 1 billion people. It's 1 in 7 of the people on the face of the earth go to bed hungry, malnourished. So again, what we're doing is very important. There's a number of groups working to look at solving world hunger. Whether that's a possibility or not with all the politics around the world is another issue. But just some numbers to take home with you of what we have to accomplish. And Ron again made a comment about world stocks to grain issues, and how people are concerned if we don't have enough food to last 20 days, 30 days, 15 days. It's the lowest it's been in the last 35 years, and the lowest was in 2007, 2008. To me, that's impetus to keep involved in the industry and keep doing what we're doing. People, unfortunately, when hard times come, people recognize either how much they miss something or how much they love somebody, and you can't stop making food, but when it becomes short, there's going to be a lot of unrest, and I deal with that in different countries in the world. The other issue, since we're in southern Alberta, and I know Dr. Stapoon talked about salinity, and Don is very familiar with that. I deal with water issues around the world, and just one tidbit at the end of that slide.